So, beautiful good evening to all many Liberians. My name is Eric Marcelo. I'm live in the board of Nicotel. We just got our information about an incident right now happening in the board of Nicotel, where we just got our information that the Redemption Hospital got on fire some minutes ago, and the fire service detachment have come, and all thanks to the Liberian National Fire Service for helping us to put out the fire. So I don't know if we can talk to the officer. So I don't know if we can talk to some of the officers or maybe some of the apparatus on ground telling us about the happenings right now, telling us about how the fire incident started. Maybe he can tell us some of the reasons, some of the happenings right now. Yes. So, Chief.
My brother, I can't tell you now. I can't tell you.
Okay.
You gotta go to faster to get the relevant authority to discuss the matter. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. So I think this fire service officer is telling us that he cannot disclose to us happenings about how the fire started, but this is where the fire started from. They just made it clear to us. Someone says that the fire came from the ceiling and dropped into this box. The fire came from the ceiling and dropped into this box. And this box right here is where the fire dropped into from the ceiling. Dropped into this box and later started exploding and spreading around. And many items into the central pharmacist office got burned. So maybe we can get closer to and then ask one or two relevant authorities to tell us about how the fire incident started. So this is DTV Online. My name is Eric Marcelo. Share the live. We are live at the Redemption Hospital in the borough of Nicotel, where we are currently witnessing incident that occurred a few minutes ago. So thanks to the Liberian National Fire Service for helping us to put the fires off. We still need to talk to one or two relevant authorities from the Redemption Hospital, telling us about how the fire started or what the fire service officers told them about the incident. So share the live. This is TTV Online. Share the live. Thank you. Share the live. This is TTV Online. Maybe we can talk to one or two officers so that he can tell us happiness. So okay, maybe we can go inside. Chief, we can go inside. Okay. So one of the relevant authority of redemption says we cannot make our way into the building, but we are still here. Maybe we can talk to him after they try to pull one or two things together. But we are still around. The fire has gone off. And the National Fire Service came on time and they helped quench up the fire, and they are making another way around to see how best they can check around to see if there is another check around to see whether there is another happenings around. So we are here. Share the live. This is TTV Online. My name is Eric Marcelo, live from the borough of Nicotel, inside the compound of the Redemption Hospital. Okay. So maybe we can let us walk in front of the building. The entire building redemption is off. The entire building is off. Thank God for relevant authority, and thanks to the Liberian National Fire Service for helping us to put off the fire. They did well for coming on time. They saved life. Nothing much got damaged. Nothing much got damaged. The people on bed are safe, and the fire is off totally. But we still need to talk to one or two officers from the Liberian National Fire Service telling us what they observe after doing some of the check. After doing some of the check, they need to tell us what they observe after doing some of their check. So maybe we can still go back to where the fire incident started. It is giving us a very tough time. It is giving us a very tough time to really talk to one or two relevant authority. Yeah, it's really giving us a tough time here this evening. Yeah, it is giving us a tough time. It is really giving us a tough time. So we don't know if we can talk to one or two. It's giving us a tough time. Really giving us a tough time. Yeah, it's giving us a tough time. I still keep sharing the live. Keep following us. Keep sharing the live, and we will make sure that we talk to one or two relevant authority of the Redemption Hospital tonight before we can leave the premises of the Redemption Hospital. Maybe we can ask this man. Sir, can we talk to you shortly before we leave, please? Okay, can we talk to the... So we have been denied.
In a facility, don't say you are not.
Yeah, because you just want to talk to us now.
Say I cannot talk now.
Okay, he says he cannot talk to us now.
I deny you.
He says he cannot talk to us now because I think they are still trying to sort out one or two issues, but he says he cannot talk to us. But we are still in the premises of the Redemption Hospital. And the fire have gone off. Just keep following us shortly. We will try to talk to one or two relevant authority. Just keep following us at the TTV Online. My name is Eric Marcelo, your Liberia's #1 premier online television. TTV Online live here in the borough of Bikutown at the Redemption Hospital. So I think they are trying to put on the generator. They're trying to put on the generator to see if the fire will not explode again. So okay. They are trying to put on the generator. Trying to put on the generator, see if the fire has stopped automatically. So we await the authorities to put on the generator. Continue to share the life. We are still here in the compound of the Redemption Hospital. Still here in the compound of the Redemption Hospital. So, I think the search is ongoing. Search is ongoing to see if there is another problem somewhere before they can put on the generator to know. So we await till the generator comes on. We await. Then we can talk to.
Yeah, we gotta be gonna be that for this. Because let's put our property on
So please share the live. We are still waiting the authority of the residential hospital to put on a generator, and we can talk to one or two authorities of the hospital. So please share the live. Still tuned. My name is Eric Marcelo, and this is CTV Online, your Liberian #1 online television, bringing live happenings at the Redemption Hospital here in the borough of Newtown. So I think we need to shut down until we are ready, because I don't think they are ready. So we need to shut down with the generator to come on and full. So please, I think we've got to shut down and with the generator come on, continue with the live viewing of the detention hospital. So thank you for joining us. Share the live. My name is Eric Marcelo. We are live here at the Redemption Hospital tonight.